Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to download apps in iPhone. So guys, when you try to download apps in your iPhone or in your iPad, and you will see this type of error again and again, as you will see unable to download app. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this problem and how can you download apps easily. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection or Wi-Fi. And guys, after this you need to go back. Now you need to scroll it down, click on general, and after this from here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to scroll it down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And guys, if you're using mobile data on your eSIMs, then you need to delete your eSIM and you need to reinstall again. And after this guys, your problem will be fixed. And if still not fix your problem, then you need to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all these methods, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download apps easily. And guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem and still unable to download apps, then you need to open your Apple Sport app. And guys, you need to wait for some seconds. From here you need to click on iPhone. So guys, as you will see, you have to select your own gadget that you're using and click on more, and after this click on App Store. And guys, now you need to wait for more seconds here. So guys, now you need to click on call, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that you are unable to download apps through App Store in your iPhone, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.